Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathsala. I am Dr. Arvind Kumar Sharma, Department of Library and Information Science, Maharani Lakshmibai, Government College of Excellence, Gwalior. Today we are going to discuss about a module Information and Communication Technology and Information Literacy under the paper Library Use and User Studies. After reading this module, you will be able to understand the meaning of information technology and information communication technology. Establish the relationship between information communication technology and information literacy, and to describe the need of ICT in present environment. The prime objective of any system of governance, authority and institution is to make all possible efforts for socio-economic development for all the sections of society. To fulfill this objective, the modern information and communication technology ICT based gadgets may be highly useful. These gadgets are helping people to get desired information and benefit from various schemes launched by the government and other organizations. How to advance people from literate to information literate, or may be called ICT literate, is a big challenge for the government as well as other agencies working for the socio-economic development of the people. As we are aware, society has evolved through various stages, and so the methods of learning and literacy have undergone changes accordingly. In the present learning society, changes are taking place in multiple ways. In the following table, these changes or attributes are shown. Learning. In agrarian society, it was one-way process. In industrial society, it was two-way process. In information society, it was interactive, and knowledge learning society, it is now more interactive. The literacy. In agrarian society, the literacy was limited to only oral literacy or object literacy. In industrial society, it was limited to printed literacy. In information society, it is information literacy, ICT literacy, etc. In knowledge or learning society, it is multiple literacy. The above tabular information provides the overall scenario of learning, literacy, and related thoughts in the different ages. In education setup, teachers are engaged in learning, teaching, and conducting research for the overall development of the community. Education and training help people to acquire knowledge and skills and to imbibe values to cope up with the present complicated scenario. The advent of computer, information and communication technologies, artificial intelligence, etc., has interconnected various processes and routines to make life very convenient for the people. These technologies have impacted learning environment also. Today, learning process is not a one-way but a two-way process and is greatly based on users' need. Technology has given a platform for the education processes to achieve greater efficiency and higher standards. In the present environment of fast developing technologies, moving from one generation to another in shorter span of time, for instance, now moving 3G to 4G, one cannot or is not able to predict that how long particular G will sustain and when will that be outdated. To sustain in the present environment, one must be literate in multiple media. What is information and communication technology? Today, we are living in a technology driven era. Information technology (IT) is changing or shaping lives in the most fundamental way. Information technology is an umbrella term for various interconnected technologies. These technologies are electronic technology, computer technology, telecommunication technology, communication technology, artificial intelligence technology, and human and machine interface technology. The prime objective of any system of governance, authority, and institution is to make all possible effort for socio-economic development of all the sections of society. To fulfill this objective, the modern information and communication technology ICT based gadgets may be highly useful. These gadgets are helping people to get desired information and benefit from various schemes launched by the government and other organizations. How to advance people from literate to information literate, or may be called ICT literate, is a big challenge for the government as well as other agencies working for the socio-economic development of the people. The people or the communities cannot be forced to acquire new skills for using technologies, but they can be motivated to enhance their skills and capabilities for making use of the present ICT driven environment. Information literacy enables all stakeholders to utilize information and resources and saves them from misinformation and disinformation diffused in the information system by different media. Information literacy and ICT both are helpful in this process in various ways. ICT driven gadgets provide a vehicle to exchange the ideas and resources quickly, safely, and economically uh, among the people or communities. Now, we will try to understand what is information technology IT. Information technology is a broad term and incorporates various dimensions uh, of the interface between information and machines. Various definitions are given below to understand the scope of the term. According to online dictionary of library and information science, IT is a very broad term encompassing all aspects of the management and processing of information by computer, including the hardware and software required to access it. This is a general definition and incorporates the various aspects of management and processing information. Information and communication technology (ICT) is an extension of information technology which relates to the uses of various communication technologies. Some definitions may be are as follows. According to Wilson and others, ICT, information and communication technology, consists of all technical means used to handle information and facilitate communication, including computer and network hardware as well as necessary software. In other words, ICT consists of information technology as well as telephony, broadcast media, and all types of audio and video processing and transmission. It stresses the role of communication, such as telephone lines and wireless signals, in modern information technology. This definition includes ICT in broader way, which includes various components of the technology. Wikipedia also says that information and communication technology is often used as an extended synonym for information technology, but is a more specific term that stresses the role of unified communications and the integration of telecommunications, telephone lines and wireless signals, computers, as well as necessary enterprise software, middleware, storage, and audiovisual systems which enable users to access, store, transmit, and manipulate information. This definition covers all dimensions of telecommunication, computers, and information. Information and Communication Technology (ICT). Harrod's Librarian's Glossary and Reference Book says Information and Communication Technology (ICT) replacing the older IT and alternative C and IT to express the combination of computing hardware and software with the capabilities of communications networks that provides new opportunities for teaching, learning, and training through the delivery of digital content. The expression arose from an educational context but has since expanded into other sectors and its use is now widespread. All definitions are very wide and covers almost all dimensions related to the matter. These also cover stakeholders who are involved in information related activities. Information Communication Technology (ICT) is a wide term which incorporates various processes, services, and technologies which provides a better platform to users to access, store, manipulate, and disseminate information. ICT also enable a user to interact in a customized way. Need of Information Communication Technology (ICT) awareness. In the 21st century, people live in the world that is highly digitized and predominantly governed by the information communication technology. More or less every aspect of life is affected by the processes prefixed E, such as e-banking, e-libraries, e-village, e-health, etc. In day-to-day life, people depend on e-technologies and they can benefit a lot by using the services. People need awareness of the ICT. The awareness is vital for many regions. These are effective use of technology. ICT may be helpful in enhancing literacy as well as in promoting skill and competency among the people. ICT helps in creating healthy education system. By using ICT, organizations can provide effective, efficient, and 24 into 7 accessible services to the clients. In India, ICT can connect all the people living at faraway places and their voice can reach the authorities. ICT provides an opportunity to all the people to take the advantages of developments. ICT can be a main agent of change for creating inclusive and sustainable information environment. ICT stimulates the people to move forward. ICT helps in providing equal benefits to all members of society. ICT helps in redesigning services, production, and distribution. ICT helps to cope up with recent changes. ICT provides interactive multimedia platform to transfer the existing knowledge and also helps in skill development from one person to another person to organization, one society to another, one system to another, safely, quickly, and economically. In ICT driven environment, the use of ICT can make a scholar to great learner. The concept of universal and free access to information can be materialized by effective use of ICT. In the present diagram, the need of ICT is shown. It says it is a catalytic agent for value addition among people. It is an astra for inclusive development of society and it can improve the lives of the people and also it can be important place for social interaction and harmony. In above shown diagram, the need of ICT is shown. It says that information communication technology boost the value addition in all types of activities means if you use ICT enabled gadgets, the quality of service or work will be enhanced. It works in various ways. Hence, value addition can be seen in activities. It is also an astra for inclusive development of society because it gives equal opportunity to exploit the resources by all members of society without any kind of discrimination. ICT awareness is a basic human right of every citizen. It empowers a man to live with full dignity and respect. ICT aware person can participate in democratic setup and exploit the public resources. ICT aware person can play a vital role in social interaction and harmony. In cultured society, human is the most precious wealth. Information literacy and information technology. Information technology has been changing or influencing the behavior or working scenario of individuals, groups, and society. Information technology enables a person to deal with electronic gadgets and exploit them. Technological awareness always pays extra dividend to learners. American Library Association has emphasized on the issue and said that information literacy is related to information technology skills but has broader implications for the individual, the educational system, and for society. Information technology skills enable an individual to use computers, software applications, databases, and other technology to achieve a wider variety of academic, work related, and personal goals. Information literate individuals necessarily develop some technological skills. With the advent and diffusion of information communication technology, it has become a reality that people can access information 24 into 7 into 365 days. Time and distance have no meaning. Only information literate people can get the benefit of ICT driven digital environment. ICT literacy and IL. As we are aware, information communication technology literacy is a prerequisite for maximizing and exploiting information resources in present electronic environment. Education Testing Service defines ICT literacy as using digital technology, communications tools, and or networks to access, manage, integrate, and create information in order to function in knowledge society. Another definition is given by W. Van Joningen. It says the ICT literacy is the interest, attitude, and ability of individuals to appropriately use digital technology and communication tools to access, manage, integrate, and evaluate information, construct new knowledge, and communicate with others in order to participate effectively in society. So, both definitions clearly define the scope of information communication technology literacy. Technological literacy is also having mostly same scope. Technological literacy. International Technology Education Association ITEA in its report Standard for Technological Literacy defines the term technology literacy as the ability to use, manage, understand, and access technology. So, ICT literacy and technological literacy are similar in scope and having same purpose. In the present environment, change is permanent or integral feature of ICTs. User must be aware of this attribute so they can cope up with present competitive and complex environment. G. Wilson rightly said that technology changes are quickly. Information literate individuals must update their technological skills continuously so stay current and be able to use their existing skills in new ways. Module e-literacy and literacies of this paper includes following literacies in detail: literacy, visual literacy, intelligent tutoring systems, technological literacy, information literacy, computer literacy, academic literacy, digital literacy, multi literacies. Information communication technology skills required for information literacy. To take maximum use of resources, user should be acquainted with following information communication technology skills. These are basic knowledge of hardware and software, knowledge of special software such as SPSS, etc., knowledge of internet tools and services such as Gmail, search techniques, etc., and the awareness regarding intellectual property right issues such as copyright, plagiarism, referencing tools, etc. Relationship between information communication technology and information literacy. This information communication technology and information literacy have interconnected with the term information. The word information is common in both. It is a matter of fact that information can enhance the capabilities of the person in many ways. Information communication technology literate person acquires various types of skills and capabilities to exploit the resources and maximize the uses. In order to be information literate, one should have the knowledge and skill to deal with modern electronic gadgets. At this step, information communication technology literacy helps a person to update his skill and knowledge to deal with new phenomenon. Katz and Law rightly express their views as distinguishing IL and ICT. People can be information literate in the absence of ICT, but the volume and variable quality of digital information and its role in knowledge societies has highlighted the need for all people to achieve information literacy skills. For people to use IL within a knowledge society, both access to information and the capacity to use. In the present diagram, the ICT and information literacy is shown, and as you are aware, the both are interrelated with the term information. The word information is common in both. As you are aware, ICT literate person acquires various types of skill, knowledge, and capabilities to exploit the resources and also maximize the use. And information literate person can also use the various types of resources. So the present diagram just show the interconnectivity of both terms. So students, let us see what we have learned from this module. Information and communication technologies are playing a significant role in enhancing the literacy. Information and communication technologies help to exploit the information resources at various platforms. Without ICT skills, one can be information literate, but he or she cannot cope up with the present multifaceted developmental activities or cannot sustain in this electronic environment. ICT has given an opportunity to exploit the resources. The knowledge and skill about ICT helps to sustain in the competitive environment. It is also beneficial to those communities also which have not taken the benefit of present developments so far. Thank you.